project. The title of our project is Flamebot, and we are Forest Rangers from SMK Mutiara Reddy. I'm Avinashwar Prakash Rao, and I'm the programmer for this project.
I'm Bhuvaneshwaran Das, and I am the documenter of this project.
Okay, how it all starts. Forest fires are the big problem nowadays. It can spread very quickly. It can harm the trees, it can harm the animals, it also even can put the people on danger. Firefighters often can't reach the fire all the time because the forests are huge and hard to get through.
Solutions. That's why we need a firefighting robot. An automatic robot that detects fire. Next, it can go into forests, put out fires and help stop the damage without putting anyone at risk. Finally, it also helps to clean the polluted air in the surroundings.
Okay, what is Flamebot? Let me explain to you shortly. Flamebot is a forest firefighting robot that can help us to put out the fire in the forest. Flamebot equipped with some heat sensor that help it to detect the fire in the forest, and also have some other sensors that help it to move through the forest by automatically.
These are the Flamebot designs. First of all, proposed sketch, then real prototype.
Okay, now our Flamebot robot totally have three functions. First of all, the fire sensor. The three fire sensor over here help us to sense the fire, and secondly, the water pump. The water pump here help us to sprinkle the water, and finally, the air filter. The air filter over here help us to filter the polluted air at the surrounding place.
Firstly, there are three fire sensors. Here and over here. Second, we also have the CDS sensor that senses the smoke, and it is right over here. Finally, we have the servo motor, and it is right here. It is used to sprinkle the water at every direction.
Then, our robot totally have 4 DC motors. The 4 DC motors help us to move the robot in every direction easily. And next, here is a water tank and the water pump is over here. So this water tank helps us to hold the water over here, and the water pump will sprinkle the water from this water tank. Okay, our robot also have a air filtering system over here. This system helps us to filter the polluted air in the surrounding place. And this is the MCU microcontroller named as Mainboard. This is the main system that helps us to make this robot function. Okay, now let us start the demonstration. So when this fire sensor sense, the robot will turn to the right side.
When this fire sensor sense, the robot turns to the left side.
So when this CDS sensor sense the smoke, this air filtering system will turn on. So finally, when this fire sensor senses the fire, the robot will move forward and sprinkle the water to the different directions to stop the fire.
improvement. Firstly, better technology to make it able to detect fire in wider range. Second, making it to be able to detect if there's any harm living around the scene, so it could provide first aid. Finally, add a system to locate and utilize natural water services such as lakes and river to the robot refill its water tank automatically.
Okay, last but not least, let me summarize you about this robot shortly. This Flamebot robot totally have 3 fire sensors over here. So when this fire sensor sense, the robot will turn to right side, and with this fire sensor sense, the robot will turn to left side, and when this fire sensor sense, the robot will move forward a bit and start to sprinkle the water at every directions. And when this CDA sensor sense the smoke, this air filtering system will start to on, and it will clean the polluted air at the surrounding place. And that's all from us. I hope you enjoy our presentation. Thank you for your patience.